What's up, guys? So this is another day for shipping, and this time is shipped to my customer from Europe, Sweden, and I got this order today. Actually, he got 7 phones. I got 4 here, and another 2 have already packed. They orders 6 pieces iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange, and all of them are 1 terabyte. You can see it, and the serial number and IMEI number. All of them are valid. You can check on the official Apple website. And this is the original box and the accessories inside. You can check. And this is the European version. We can make it international version, like the American version, Canada version, and the international version. We will send these phones according to your country, according to your region. So don't worry about it. So nice order and nice shipping. We will ship by express shipping like DHL, UPS, etc. You will get it usually within a week. It's really fast and safe. Alright, I will make some unboxing video in the future. If you are interested in these phones, kindly contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
挂多。